Hi guys, and welcome to Everything Hair. As you already know, we're your safe space to talk about literally all things hair. Today's video is sponsored by AligraceHair. In today's video, we're going to be going over how I prep my hair for a wig install. First of all, I take out whatever hairstyle it is that I've had. I had cornrows in before, but I try as much as possible not to have the same hairstyle done too many times in a row. But because of this video, I decided to have cornrows again. So first of all, I try as much as possible to detangle my hair with my fingers while taking them out, and then I go straight into washing my hair. I use very generic shampoo. I just look at the ingredients and make sure that there's nothing harmful in it, and then I use the same brand of conditioner, and I try to section my hair and detangle it as gently as I could. Yeah, I'm basically rinse it out. I try as much as possible not to go to my hairdresser or hairstylist to do the washing and like prepping my hair for me, because I know that they can be a little harsh with my hair. The best person that knows my hair is me, so I just try as much as possible to do that for myself. I'm going to moisturize my hair using the LOC method, so I'm adding some leave-in conditioner and then oil, and then I will be adding my creams. I'm not going to be adding any product descriptions to this video because most of the products that I used are very generic. You might not find them where you live. I just try as much as possible to look through the ingredients that I add to my hair, make sure that they're oil infused, or make sure that they're sourced ethically and locally. So the products that I use most times are just native to the area that I live in. So after prepping my hair, I go over to my hairstylist and I am back with some cornrows. So this hair was sent to me by Aligrace, and it came with some goodies. First of all, it came with this hairband, and then it also comes with a bonnet. The bonnet is quite spacious, so if you have box braids or whatever in, it's spacious enough to take in whatever hairstyle you have. And then it comes with a wig cap, 2 wig caps actually, and also it comes with a guide on how to take care of the hair, and also coupon codes that you can use when you're trying to get your hair, which I'm sure you guys are going to do after you've seen this video. So we have our hair. Our hair is a 24-inch kinky curly 4x6 wig. They've literally done all the work for you. All you have to do is just wear this wig and go, and that's literally what I did. I took out the packaging and the wig is already prepped for you to just wear and go. It comes with a 4x6 inch closure. I've never had a kinky curly wig, so this is a great start for me. If you're a beginner with wigs like I am, you would love this wig because it's very beginner friendly. All I had to do was just tint the lace, adjust the elastic straps. It didn't come with any comb, so it's not going to be snagging on your edges or snagging on any part of your hair. So you can be rest assured that this wig is literally all you need, okay? Well, I use my foundation to tint the wig cap a little bit just to match my shade. I use my foundation to just tint the lace. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on my skin before I added foundation on the lace. But yeah, let's go straight to wearing this thing, okay? I put it on my head and I loved it. Even before I actually even adjusted it to fit anything, I loved it. Look at how it matches with my skin. I've never had a wig like this, so this is my first time trying a kinky curly wig. This is my first time trying just a wear and go wig without like styling or whatever, and I loved it. Like, you have no idea. I loved everything that came with it. I knew that I had to add some concealer to the parts, but aside from that, I love the wig. I just wanted to brush it out so you guys could see what it looked like dry with no product. The hair, as you can already see, the hair is already layered, so you don't really have to cut. You literally don't have to do anything. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked dry I was so excited to try on this wig. Like, I was so excited to try this hair on, and I loved every minute of it. I loved every minute of styling it. I added just a little bit of leave-in conditioner first, just to see how it would take on product, and it was perfect. When I say perfect, it was perfect. I was so excited. When I say I was so excited for this hair, I was really happy with how it took on the leave-in conditioner. And then this is how it looks. This is how the hair looks with the lace completely blended with my hair. Even though the knots were not bleached, it still looked very realistic. I added some more foundation just to the perimeter of my hair. I wanted to highlight the parting a little bit by smoothing down the front part of my hair, and yeah, worked perfectly. I loved it. And then I decided to add some water and more leave-in conditioner to the hair. As you can see, it's shiny, it looks more defined, because I went off camera to add some concealer first of all to the parting, and also add some leave-in conditioner to the hair. So basically that is the hair. Okay, I was so excited and so happy that I got this. Okay, if you guys would like to purchase this hair, make sure to go in the description box. It has all the details, and it also comes with a discount code. Make sure to click the link in the description box and also highlight the discount code in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and special thanks to Aligrace for sending me this hair. Hopefully you guys will get to see my face more often in this new year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.